Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing 5x7 photo frames. And like always, if you are interested, I'll put a link in the video description where you guys and girls can get the frames. So right off the bat, they're just very simple photo frames. So they're 5x7, 13 cmx, 13 cm by 18 cm. So let's show you how you add and remove photos. You just simply bend these little metal tabs. This one has 3, and then we go ahead and we lift this up, and then we go ahead and pop out this. Now this looks like there's probably a plastic piece that we could peel off here. That probably was just protecting it. So we're gonna go ahead, see if we can peel that off. It's a little tough, but you should be able to get it. If I can get it with not good nails, you can too. So there's one. There's probably another on this side. All right, there we go. Now we go ahead and lay that back in first. And now we take the photo that we want. Go ahead and lay that in here. Now this photo is not as big. Now we could put a piece of paper in here with border or trim if we wanted to, but I'm not too worried about it. This backdrop will be good enough. So we just drop this in here, push the metal tabs back like so, and let's check it out. So there we go, we have the picture. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a black backdrop so you don't see that wood grain. So it's going to look a whole lot nicer if we put a black backdrop, and we could just use black piece of paper. That will work just perfectly fine. So yeah, I'm very happy. It's a nice frame. It's a cheaper frame, you know, obviously cheaper built, but I think it does a job. It's a nice design. You can kind of see the lines in there. I like it. I think we can go ahead and give it probably give it a 6 out of 10, which would be about a 3-star rating out of 5. I think it will do a good job. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested, there'll be a link in my video description.